A man walks into a pet shop and sees a parrot sitting in a cage. The parrot looks at him and says, "Hey, want to hear a joke?" The man, surprised, says, "Sure." The parrot says, "Why don't skeletons fight each other?" The man shrugs, "I don't know why." The parrot squawks, "Because they don't have the guts." The man laughs and says, "That's pretty good." The parrot tilts its head and says, "Wait, wait, I've got another. What do you get when you cross a parrot with a comedian?" The man scratches his head. "I don't know." "What?" The parrot grins and says, "Me, I'm a real tweetheart."